How to enable Screensaver on Android. This tutorial takes you through all the screensaver options available on your device and how to set one up. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Display. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Screensaver. At this point, by default, it will be set to None, meaning the screensaver is off. Next up, you'll see several options to choose from. The first one is Colors. Tap on it. From here, tap Preview to see how it looks. You'll see different gradients of color flowing across your screen. Tap anywhere to exit the preview. Moving on, the next option is Landroid. Tap on it and tap Preview to see how that one looks as well. Once done, the third option is Photos. Tap on it and select a folder from your gallery to use as your screensaver. After this, tap Preview to see how your selected photos will appear as a screensaver. Finally, once you've chosen the option you like, tap the back button and your screensaver is all set. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up a screensaver on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.